Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Workday Assistant automation for HR Helpdesk Triage detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Workday account. Navigate to the Workday Assistant feature within the platform. Familiarize yourself with the primary interface and available commands. Next, prepare a list of common HR inquiries and issues typically faced by employees. Identify the key tasks that Workday Assistant should automate for the HR Helpdesk. Access the settings for Workday Assistant to customize the automation parameters. Enable the automation features relevant to the identified tasks. Test the Workday Assistant by inputting sample HR queries. Observe how the Assistant processes these queries and provides responses. Take note of any discrepancies or areas where the responses may not align with expected outcomes. Review the logs within Workday to evaluate the performance of each interaction. If issues arise, identify the root causes by correlating the input with the responses given. Adjust the automation settings as necessary to improve accuracy and efficiency. Verify that the changes made align with the organizational HR policies and procedures. Conduct a second round of testing with a new set of inquiries to gauge improvements. Gather feedback from HR team members about the effectiveness of the Workday Assistant. Document all findings and adjustments in a report for future reference. Ensure that the final configuration is optimized for user experience and operational efficiency. Regularly revisit the setup to make updates as new HR processes emerge or existing procedures evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.